Alright, hello everyone and welcome to another video. My name is SolarKitKat and today we're going to be giving away some black shorts and some red shorts. So let's head on to Alden and advertise this for everyone to come to my den for some epic black shorts, guys. Cannot wait.
Roll it up, yeah, I just touched down and now you know what's up, like on the move, yeah, I might get a place so I could come to you, like motivation, I might not get so much sleep tonight. Rolling through the hills, looking for you still, I'm on a mission. I found her underneath the bluest.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I've gotten these people in my den and I almost feel a little bit bad, but let's see what happens. Oh no guys, this is a really bad idea. I'm a really bad person. Okay. Alright. I don't know guys, I feel really bad. Oh no! Okay. Okay. I have the winners. Oh no guys, is this bad? Oh no! This was a really bad idea, guys. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, they're not accepting jamograms. Okay. So, you know, they are not shorts. They are shorts, not a spike. Okay, they took it better than I expected. I was expecting a lot of hate, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna be saving all these people's IGNs. So yeah, but anyways guys, I'll be saving these IGNs, so bye. You're welcome. Sorry for the time wasted. Bye. Alright, I especially feel bad for kinda doing this. So guys, I think we're gonna try to make it up to Sharped Shadows.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so I started trading and I ended up getting an orange short spike from this individual Sai the Spy. So, gonna get that person. I think their name was a Sharp Shadows. Yes, that was their IGN. I'm gonna go ahead and send friend request. Head to the den. And yeah. Hi. So I feel like it was the least I could do. I feel like this person took it the nicest out of the bunch. And I felt like it was the least I could do. So, you know, and I definitely felt a little bit bad. So there you go, Sharp Shadows. You are very welcome. I know it's not the best spike in the world. It's probably the worst out of the spikes, but you know, I felt a little bad and I thought that I could give away a spike to someone. So thank you guys for watching. As always, I'm Solar Kit Kat. And if you guys want more of these giveaways, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!